Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change gender on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to change the gender on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app. And before we proceed guys, you need to know a thing that is we'll be only changing the gender of our Bitmoji avatar on Snapchat. And so to do that, to change the Bitmoji gender, at the top left corner of your screen you can see your Bitmoji icon or your profile icon. Tap on it on the Bitmoji, and from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it and scroll down until you can find the Bitmoji option available for us just below the notifications. You can see over here guys, tap on Bitmoji, and over here in order to change your gender you will be required to unlink my Bitmoji. So first, in order to remove your Bitmoji, tap on the unlink my Bitmoji at the bottom of the list or the bottom of the screen, and this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on remove and your avatar will be removed. Now in order to change your gender, your procedure will begin from over here. So let's begin. Let's tap on create my avatar. First, you will be required to either give in your face, by which Snapchat will generate an avatar for you. So we'll be just tapping on the option below. You can see there is a male and a female. Whichever you want to change your gender to, you can change it from over here. For a demo purpose, I'll be just tapping on the female one, and over here either you can center your face, and again Snapchat will create a female version of avatar for you. But if you don't want it, you can just tap on the skip button at the top right corner of the screen, and over here a female avatar will be given to you where you can customize everything. You can see your face, your skin tones, your hair and your eyes, which kind of eyelashes do you want, which kind of eye do you want, eye sizes. You can see over here all of these options are available for you to customize your avatar. With that being done guys, your gender will be changed on Snapchat, and let's tap on the save at the top right corner of the screen, and you can see we'll be required to pick an outfit. So let's tap on yes, and let's pick an outfit first, and let's go with a simple one for a demo purpose. And you can see guys, the outfit has been chosen. Now if you tap on save, that avatar will be changed and your gender has been changed on Snapchat. And this is how you change gender on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.